Mid-fall day. Sun's going down and I'm up on a roof. Yeah, from car repairs to leaky air hoses. Stop leaking, making my compressor run for nothing. Got my little Black & Decker saw. I got to empty the dust bag, but it doesn't matter anymore because I've got 12 more nails to put in, and then I got to put the ridge cap on, and this roof is, well, almost done. I've been working on this for over a year on and off. Obviously, I didn't work on it in the winter. I started off over there. I was quite the amateur, and I used stainless steel nails, which were too short and too expensive. And then, when I got over here, I was fitting all the pieces by shaving them to have a nice tight fit, which I then discovered you're not supposed to do. They're supposed to have a gap in between them for the water to run through and deteriorate the tar paper. So anyhow, it's almost done. What I'm not happy with is these ridge cap shingles. They should have been another couple inches wider, and they should have used stainless steel nails because these have only been here for less than a year and they're already corroding. And some of these are splitting. And a mistake I should have made is I should have put ice and water under these, not roofing paper. That was a mistake. Just thought about it. So, I'm at my little cricket here by the chimney. And I'm almost done. I work on an hour here, a day there, a month later. Oh boy. And then I've got to change this chimney cap. I've got a new one sitting across the street at the construction yard right over there. I had a granite one made. 6 inches by 96 by whatever it is, I don't remember. But when the smoke comes up the chimney, it corrodes the rebar. So I guess this thing has lasted for 40 years. So it's at the end of its useful life. Had to get it off the roof and had to get the new one on. It's a big slab of polished pink granite. And I don't know if we can pull it up the ladder, then hoist it up there. I don't think so. It probably weighs 10,000 pounds, whatever. I'll get a big forklift in here. So I'm finishing up. You can see where I came back and did some work more recently over here. I did this probably a month or 6 weeks ago, and I got a split over here, and it just never ends. So I've got to get my other nailer and clean these valleys. And the good thing is about this roof is there's another roof right underneath it, a white shingle roof, which they must have covered up with this wood roof soon after this house was built in 1967. Maybe they did it in the mid-70s or something because that roof was in really good shape. So I'm just going to finish up here. I'm going to drive a few more nails in. I'm going to watch my shingles split, listen to my air hose whistle. Bang, 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 bang. That's it. Shush! God, those guys are noisy. Then I take my ridge cap and I'm going to put some more tar paper on top here because, well, these are kind of chintzy. Only 2 little staples hold it in, hold the halves together. Got my copper. Forgot to put a few pieces of copper underneath. Oh well. I've got ice and water, multiple layers of it. So I'm going to finish this off, and thanks for watching, guys. It's fun, huh? Oh boy, anybody want to come and help me demolish this? And off it goes. What a beautiful fall day.